My eyes have been opened to the whole, the skincare brush. Okay. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what the deal is. Before we go ahead and get into this video, go ahead down below and hit that subscribe button, okay? It is free 99 for you to subscribe to my channel and support me. So today's video is sponsored by, I feel like a legit YouTuber now. It's sponsorship going on here. Today's video is sponsored by Duvolle, okay? Their Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System right here was sent to me. I was sent this about 3 weeks ago, but it's not that I was procrastinating on doing this video. It's because I really wanted to make sure that I gave y'all a review that you could actually rely on. Because I don't like using products and it's like shit and then I tell everyone, oh my god, it's so great, because it's not great. Like, what kind of person would I be? And if you know me, you know I'm all about the skincare. I'm very picky about my skincare. And I'm not gonna lie, I've seen these brushes. They've been popular for a while now, and I was always so skeptical about trying one because I was afraid that it would be too harsh. I don't know, just the whole idea of like the whole spin brush and the bristles like just kind of rubbed me the wrong way. Then they reached out to me to send me a little kit to test it out. So I did, and I can honestly say that I actually really like it. It does come with 4 different attachments: a cleansing and exfoliation attachment and a pumice stone. And there's also the 4th one is a big one that's for your body. I have not used the attachment for my body yet, but I plan to do so because I actually do really like how it feels on my face. It's very soothing. It's very gentle. It's not harsh at all. And I was very surprised because, like I said, that was my main concern. I was like, a brush on your face, on your skin every day? Yeah, I wasn't with it. But, you know, I had to expand my horizons. So I have been using it consistently for about 2 weeks now, every day. Yes, it is gentle enough to use every day. But the one thing I will say is, if you do decide to use it every day, try to limit the amount of like other exfoliants that you might use. Like if you use a seed skin polish, or if you use an exfoliant that already has pumice in it, limit that, because while it is gentle enough to use every day, it's still, you know, on like, it's still abrasing. Is that the word I'm looking for? I just find that it's a little bit too harsh to use those 2 things every day, because I did try it out and it was just, no, my skin was like, what the hell are you doing? I also feel like it eliminates extra steps in my process. So I actually do plan on doing an updated skincare video that technically won't be sponsored by them, because it's just me doing a skincare review with this added product. It's very simple. All you have to do is wet your face, wet the brush, apply soap. I find that it's best when used with bar soap, because bar soap lathers a lot more. And if you're like me, I love a good soap lather. So what I like to use is either an unscented natural soap on my face, or any of the Dr. Bronner's brands bar soaps. Fantastic. Be careful though if you do decide to use the peppermint one, because honey, it burns like nothing else. Soap in your eyes already burns, but that peppermint soap, whole nother level. I like to just swirl the brush onto the soap bar. If you are going to use that method, make sure it's a personal soap bar that only you're using, and keep in a little container, because you don't want to like everyone's hands on it and then you also doing it for your face. But no, we don't want that. And then I just turn it on and I just go to town. Like, it is so soothing. It's so soothing. And it's funny because all this time that these brushes, these skincare brushes have been out, I've been like, yeah, no. This one is the truth. Now, I'm not saying that this is the only brand out there, but because this is the only one that I've actually tried, I am obviously going to vouch for it. It is very, very nice. Ooh. So let me talk to you about these pores though. These pores though, look. they're like almost non-existent. I don't know if you can see that. I know I'm like all up in the camera, but this is important. Okay, look at that. Like, wow. My pores used to be so huge, and now I don't know if this is a direct benefit of the spin brush, but all I know is after using it for a week straight, morning and night, my pores, they have decreased in size dramatically. And I feel like it's because it really gets into the pores. You know how when you use some certain things, you just kind of use your face to wash your hands. It doesn't really deeply penetrate into the pores, and I feel like the spin brush really does. So I have been enlightened. Yes, I have been enlightened by the Duvolle Radiance Skincare Spin Brush. This brush, honestly, it's great. It's great. It eliminates so many steps for me when I take off my makeup. And especially for those nights when I'm just feeling super lazy and I really do not even feel like going through all of that double cleansing freaking oil and makeup remover. No, literally this skincare system, the Duvolle Radiant Skincare System, has been a lifesaver since I got it. So it is 100% waterproof, okay? So you can use it in the shower. There's no plugins, there's no charging ports, just 4 AA batteries, and you just turn it on and off. You get in the shower, you can, like, okay, here's the thing. Here's another thing I was worried about, right? So you know how makeup stains. And I have used certain things like loofahs and scrubs and stuff on my face that, you know, I kind of just directly use it to take the makeup off, and then it stains and then it looks dirty and gross and it just disintegrates, and it's just like, you know what? It's not even worth it. But with the skincare system, I can literally have on a full face of makeup. All I have to do is wet my face, wet the brush, put some soap on that brush, and just go to town. It will remove all the dirt, oil, makeup, all of that stuff off of your face. You can, like I said, you can use it in the shower. So it eliminates so many steps for me, and it has been a great time saver. I love this brush so much. The spinning motion is just, it's nice. It's so gentle. It's amazing. It's fantastic. I will actually have to be doing a whole new like makeup removing routine. Like I have a whole new makeup removing routine, and it's so simple. Literally, all you have to do, wet your face, turn on your brush, and like I said, it's an all-in-one. So it's designed to use in the shower, waterproof. It's not gonna get damaged, it's not gonna mess up. I leave it in the shower on my little rack once I'm done. You're clean, you step out the shower, you're clean from head to toe. Throw you on some toner and some oil, face moisturizer, whatever you use, and you're golden. You're golden. You're golden. That's it. That's it. That's all I have to say. That is the video. If you want to purchase your very own skincare brush, you can go down below and get some money off, baby, because I have a code. Yes, you heard right. I have a code. I have a code for the Duvolle skincare brush. So go ahead down below, save you some money, get you the brush. Let me know how you like it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was actually really fun for me to do, because when I feel passionate about certain products, I get excited, and I'm like, yes. This is one of those products that I'm really happy with. Like, I really love it. It's fantastic. If you're struggling with keeping up with a skincare routine, look, add this to your skincare routine. It will eliminate so many extra steps that you have to do. Period, point blank. Go down below, check it out, check out the skincare system, and we Gucci. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week.